Years ago, it would take me about 20 to 25 minutes to do payroll when we only had a few employees. Now that we have more, it takes me about 3 minutes. I click 2 buttons and I'm done.
A couple mouse clicks, they have their employees' hours synced over from Jobber over to Gusto. It makes it very easy to have their employees paid in a matter of a couple minutes.
Hi, I'm Dan Michaels from Edenkeepers Landscape Maintenance out of beautiful Wooster, Ohio. Been in business for the last 13 seasons. What started out was just a way to support my family became something bigger. Before I had Jobber and Gusto, everything was paper. I would have to sit down, figure out hours, and it was actually costing me money because I would round up.
Dan would spend quite a bit of time writing down the hours on a sheet of paper and then having to go and manually enter them in his former payroll system. And so it was just a time-consuming process. And of course, anytime you're entering data, there's always the opportunity to make mistakes and have to go back and fix those later.
I go into Jobber, I check out everybody's timesheets, make sure everything lines up. I go to Gusto, hit review it, and then I hit pay. Plain and simple, it's done.
Dan really does all of it just in a couple of minutes. Instead of being caught in mundane tasks, we're able to look at the big picture. We're able to really examine the health of the business and where there's opportunities for improvement or growth.
Jobber and Gusto together basically means to me time with my family. You don't have to chase time cards and you don't have to worry about making a mistake.
What are you waiting for? This is one of the best and most efficient integrations I've ever seen.
Look at how much money you're saving just in your time. I can be out quoting jobs, doing other things, spending time with my family. Well worth the money.